Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 30 septembre. Il y a un nouveau mot de passe. We are going to, for the first time, talk about le week-end. On va parler du week-end. On va faire des gestes TPR avec la vidéo. Et la chanson de la semaine, we're going to be adding on to our numbers with a new song this week. And then you are going to do your translation of the R7OL story that went along with our Le Tigre qui parle story. Okay, le nouveau mot de passe. Actually, désolé. Let's go back to talk about la semaine d'abord. First, the whole week, what's that going to look like? Le mot de passe, as I was almost about to tell you, is going to be new this week to practice for your video. Il y a deux discussions aujourd'hui dans l'histoire. So like this day in history discussions, like we're getting used to now. Il y a de nouveaux gestes. So along with that TPR that I mentioned a couple of seconds ago, there will be some new ones this week. Like I also mentioned a few seconds ago, we have a new song this week that is going to help us with the numbers up to 50. You're going to be translating R7OL. We have a little new Quizlet to practice, La Personne Spéciale, that we'll have a new Personne Spéciale this week. You'll make your weekly video, you'll have a quiz on that new Personne Spéciale, and then you'll have your quick write and weekly check-in at the end of the week. Okay, so I already told you what to expect for aujourd'hui. Regardons, let's take a look at le nouveau mot de passe, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, and this is just an example of how that can be used. Répétez, s'il vous plaît means repeat, please, please. S'il vous plaît, please. Donc, après, comment dit-on? Numéro 7, s'il vous plaît, please. So make sure you get that into your cahier. Le weekend. Okay, so this is something new that we're going to be doing pretty much every lundi. I'm going to be showing you a slideshow. So when you click on this link, it will take you to Canva, and I only want you to pay attention to the first slide of the slideshow, which will come up automatically when you open that link. So you see the question, combien est-ce que tu as dormi ce week-end? Combien. Combien is one of those question words that we've learned. Combien, how many, it can also mean how much, how much. Donc, combien est-ce que tu as dormi ce week-end? Dormi, how much did you sleep? Trop, beaucoup, assez, un peu. So I want you to just take a look at that, consider the question and what your answer will be, and then mercredi, when you go to do your weekly video, you're going to be using that question to then answer the question, or rather, okay, let me try that again. You're going to be using that slide to answer the question, combien est-ce que tu as dormi ce weekend? So just wanted to show that to you today so that it will not be brand new to you when you see it mercredi. Okay, les gestes, a couple new ones this week. So watch this video to learn what some of them are. We have some that we've seen before, like the body parts we've seen before, the colors we've seen before. La classe se lève, la classe s'assied, danse, sourit. Now here are the new ones. La classe pleure, la classe joue, la classe mange. So watch this video to see what the gestures are that go along with all of those. And then you will be using them once again during your weekly video, mercredi. Here's that new song I was talking about, the numbers up to 50. Start watching that, start getting familiar with those numbers. And then finally today we have our translation, la traduction pour R7OL. So our story about R7OL, you heard the story, took the quiz on it last week, and you also saw this summary. And you are going to, if you already wrote it into your cahier, that's great. If not, you're going to need to do so. This should go on the last not the last page, but in the last section, the back section of your cahier called Les Histoires or stories, you write this out, skipping lines, and then you translate line by line. So you will be, as you've done in the past, you will be taking a picture of your translation, uploading that to your Schoology assignment, and you'll be all set there. Okay. Voila, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That is it for today. I will not be on the meet today, but of course I'm always available via email, so just let me know if you have any questions. I will also, I know that I keep putting this late work form announcement up here in your slides, and I want you to know that I do look at it, just not every single day. So a couple times a week I will look at it. I am planning to look at your late work form tomorrow, so if you have some stuff that you've turned in, I noticed that there are some that were from the 25th, so I know that was last Thursday, but give me a few days to get caught up on that, and those should be in the grade book soon. Merci, au revoir.